Today we'll discuss with notice writing. A notice is a formal announcement of public importance. Be very careful in notice writing, it is very scoring. A notice is a formal announcement of public importance. It is used for giving information to a section of public at large. When you have to give the information to a section of public means you have to put up a notice, you have to make an announcement of public importance or an advance warning, then you will put up a notice. Educational notices, normally children, they are displayed on notice boards. You must have seen the notice in your schools. In your school you must have seen the notice. So educational notices, they are displayed on notice board in schools and colleges. It can be, in some cases, they can find space in the newspaper as well. We can take it as newspaper columns also. They are one of the effective ways of reaching the public. They are the effective ways. You don't have to, children don't focus. You just have to write down the main characteristics, and remember, only 2 points you will write down: main characteristics and remember the points you will write down. Okay, coming up to the next one. In case if you are talking about the purpose, children, the purpose is, it is an effective means of providing the information related to different issues or occasions. Different issues or occasions, suppose we have to organize any of the function or any of the occasion or any of the association, then we can put up a notice. Because see, notice, they reach to a large number of persons in a short time. When we display it, number of people, they see it. Okay, so hence a notice is written in a simple and formal language. Simple and formal language. It is clear, brief and to the point. Children, focus. Brief means short. It should be clear, brief and to the point. Now display. Children, where is it displayed? Normally it is displayed in schools, colleges, notice boards. Fine. Another can be public notice boards. Thirdly, it can be newspapers or magazines as well. Okay. So the main characteristics, which is very, very important points in the format, children, you have to be very careful. The word notice, that should be in a capital letter, NOTICE, block letters. In block letters you will write down notice. Then comes date, the heading, and in the format you have to be very careful with the writer's name along with the designation. Children, with which authority are you writing down the notice? It is very, very important. You have to check it out whether to which authority or the name of the issuing agency also, in case if it is that way, so name of the issuing agency or the school, it is important. Then comes with content. Children, in the content you have to be very careful. What you can write down, what in what you can write down event, activity or heading. What event slash activity oblique heading. Then where. In content I am talking about content. First point is what. Second point is where. Where means where this event is going to take place. That means venue. Where dash venue. Third point is how. Dash, write down process and contact to whom. Process and contact to whom. Then comes with when. when it is going to take place. So when dash date and time. When dash date and time. What, in what comes event activity heading. When comes date and time. When comes date and time. Where comes venue. How comes process and contact. In the bracket you can write down to whom. Now it is not mentioned. One more point you will write down. Who. 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 Then dash, write down participants oblique organizers. Who dash participants oblique organizers comma chief guest if any. In case if you're calling any of the chief guest, in case if there are any of the participants or the organizers, you will mention over there who. And the last one is expression. Expression means overall organization, your accuracy and fluency. Your expression, you can say, last point we can say, it relates to overall organization and relevance of the content, as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. You have to be very clear in your language. I suppose you are done with content. What, when, where, who, how. Okay, so in case if you will keep these 5 points in your content section, and you will take care of your format and then expression, then you will score full marks. Then comes with notice and for school college notice board. Children, if you are talking about school college notice board, we will first take it as we must contain, it must, children, the notice should contain complete information, because see, in notice you have to provide each and everything. Just now I have told you what, where, how, when, who. So when a person reads the notice, he should come to know, he should be aware, he should get to know the things easily. Now the second point is the order of presentation should be clear. Again, it is that it should be clear. In case if you are imparting any of the information, in case if you are providing any of the information should be very clear cut. The person should grasp the information there and then. Then the third point is state the purpose. Why are you writing down the notice? What is the reason behind it? So the purpose should be clear. Fourth point, content should include all necessary information. Content should include all necessary information, that is for a meeting, the time, venue, date and agenda. Again the same thing is there. And impersonal language should be there. Avoid I and you. Impersonal language, we will not use I and you. We will simply, our language should be, earlier also I've told you that our language should be very clear, brief and to the point. Give the designation. You have to write down the designation below your name. First of all, we will write down the name, and beneath it we will write down the designation. Because see, in case I'm writing down a notice, I should have some authority to write down the notice. How can I issue a notice? If I have the authority, then only I can paste the notice on the notice board. So designation is must. Okay, and the date of writing notice is generally put at the top. At the left side we will write down the date. Observe the word limit. If you exceed it, you will get a negative mark. In case if you will exceed the word limit, you will not gain marks. Is it clear? Okay, you can write down the question. You are the secretary of Chi English Literary Association of Tagore Memorial School. In case if you are not able to see, Tagore Memorial School, Patna. Write out a notice for notice board inviting names of those who would like to, it is who would like to participate in the proposed inter-house debate. Oratory means the speaker, oratorial, and elocution contest. Here is the answer, children. You can copy down, and the second question also. The third question is, if it is not visible, I'll send you again. The second question is, if it is not clear in the video, don't worry, I'll send it again. Okay, so check it out. We have write down the association name, English Literary Association, then the name of the school, then comes with the date, and on the left side, then comes with notice in the block letters, inter-house competition in the block letters as well, and then you have to mention ki where the English Literary Association invites participants in the following contest to be held in the school auditorium. Then the date, or in the competition dates you will mention, and you will mention the team, you will mention the last date for submission, and then your name, your designation. Clear? This is the way of writing down the notice. I will be sending you the pages, so don't worry. You will write down in the format I have told you. You will write down the main characteristics and notices for school college notice board. Remember, you will write down the 8 points, and then you will write down these notices. I'll be sending you separately also, so don't worry. See, it is clear in this. In case if it is clear, I'll send you. Stay safe. Don't worry.